And welcome to Meeting Minutes Generator, an AI-powered application that automatically generates meeting minutes from both text transcripts and Google Meet recordings. Let's get our backend running. Okay, so the backend for this application uses Django and Django REST framework along with OpenAI's GPT-4 for text analysis. Now that our backend is up and running, we can move to the front end. The front end is built using React, TypeScript, Tailwind, and Vite to create a fast, modern, and efficient front end application. With our back end and front end both running, let's go and test the application. Okay, so we are greeted with the page that allows us to upload a file. So what this file is going to be, it is going to be a transcript that we can upload, and that is then going to be processed by our application, and the minutes and the action items are then going to be generated. Right, we also have the functionality of connecting our Google account with the application. Right, so once we choose to do that, we are taken to the sign in page where we have to allow the required permissions. These involve the calendar, the drive, and the meeting APIs accessing the required data for the application to work properly. So once our account is connected, it is going to fetch all the meetings that we have scheduled in the calendar or that we have already done, and then we can see the transcript generated for that meeting. Right, let me show you the functionality of how the file uploading works. Right, so I have this file that is a transcript of a Google meeting. So we are going to submit that file, and the application starts processing it. Okay, so the processing is done, and then we can see here this is the original text, the text that was in the file that we uploaded. And what we get here is the meeting summary, the key topics, the decisions taken, if any, the next meeting info, if it was decided by the attendees that are going to have another meeting as a follow-up to this one, any unresolved questions, and the action items. These are all generated by the application based on this transcript. The version here is also editable, so if you want to add or remove anything, you can just manually do so and then download the final version. Right, what we see here is all the meeting transcripts that are being processed by the application. So these are the test transcripts that we uploaded, so we can see the summaries for all that here. Just like that, all the real meeting transcripts are also going to be appearing here along with the meeting IDs for each one of them. This action items, this what it does is it compiles all the action items from all the meetings at one place. It increases productivity. You don't have to go anywhere, or you don't have to go through all the meetings to find what you have to do or what you're supposed to do or what you are you know uh, allotted as your work in the meetings. You can find all of them here along with the due date for each of them. You can mark them as completed. See, these are all overdue, along with some in progress. Right, so if it is the due date is not here yet, it is going to see we're going to see that it is in progress. So this is the functionality. You can upload the file, you can see the transcripts, all the action items are compiled at one place, and by connecting your Google account with the application, you can see all the meetings that you have scheduled or have done over the past period of time here. And once this meeting, which is scheduled on 7th of April, which is 3-4 days from today, this is automatically going to show you the transcript for that meeting. It is going to be processed automatically by the application, and then you can see the transcript along with the action items, if any, they're going to be generated here. So this was all about our application. Thank you and have a good day.